Okay, go. No, did you just hit your mouth on the... Oh my god. Good thing they're baby teeth.
I'll come in when you need it. You have to pull it.
She'll pull when you pedal. You pedal.
No, I don't trust her.
You can do it. I'm sure you weigh more than the tree. Pedal! You're not pedaling!
Go harder!
I guess the tree wins?
No.
Oh.
I need this. Owen, just drop the bike. I don't need the bike. No, Owen, I don't need your help either. No.
You didn't get rope burn, bud.
Oh, no. Teamwork? That's a teamwork. I don't need it.
Okay.
Oh, no. You're just making it harder for me. How? Because you're leaning on it. Okay, I need someone to...
Yeah, we need an anchor point. I said that to you. Tie it to your brother.
Okay, come here, Owen.
Oh my gosh. You guys are insane.
I'll just be the brace. Oh, wait. Stop.